You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you say the name of this method? I know it's confusing. It's named after a Danish chemist, okay? The method, he invented the method. So in Danish it is said as Kjeldahl, Kjeldahl, Kjeldahl. Alright, so if you say Kjeldahl, well, you can say that's the Danish pronunciation. Okay, now in English it is generally either said as Kjeldahl. The Merriam-Webster dictionary lists it as Kjeldahl, so that's also correct. Many say it as Kjeldahl as well, Kjeldahl. That's also used and also somewhat correct, even though in Danish the J is pronounced more like an I. So, yeah, you've got it now. At least you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.